Aeroplan Card Review 2025 Worth it or lead it? You won't believe how much value you can get if you fly frequently with Air Canada and partner airlines. Most people get this card wrong by assuming it's only for casual travelers, but the surprising truth is that the Aeroplan Card offers points on every purchase, bonus points on flights, and a range of travel perks that make it worth considering. You earn Aeroplan points on all purchases, with accelerated points on Air Canada flights and partner airline travel. Points can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, and even car rentals and hotel stays. Cardholders also receive priority boarding, free checked bags, and travel insurance coverage. The downside? There's an annual fee, and if you rarely fly or don't plan to redeem points efficiently, the card might not be worth it. Also, point redemption is often best for flights within the airline network, so flexibility is limited compared to general travel cards. Verdict: worth it for frequent Air Canada travelers who maximize points and perks. Leave it if you rarely fly or prefer general purpose travel rewards.